Hey everybody, I'm back today with some more information on the link between the Zika virus and the Illuminati, how they're furthering their control over the human race. Basically, what the conclusion that we're coming to, and it's still early, still learning new things daily, trying to put the puzzle together, connecting the dots, all that good stuff. But basically what we've realized is that the media, the news, when you watch the TV, they try to convince you that this is a natural thing that just exists in nature, and now all of a sudden this Zika virus is affecting humans just out of the blue. It wasn't a problem, now all of a sudden it's becoming out of control, which is weird because something that affects people this severely, it usually just doesn't come out of nowhere. There's usually something happened and this is a result, whether it be, look at the atomic bombings in Japan or Chernobyl meltdown. Something happens and then bad things are a result. Birth defects, all types of just bad things that you wouldn't want to have happen to you as a human. But what we're seeing with this is for thousands of years, back to the Egyptians in the pyramids, you see their hieroglyphics with, spaceships and possible contact with aliens. So it's been established for millennia that there is another species, if you can call it that. It may be something totally different that we don't understand, but there is an alien species that controls what happens on Earth, and they're basically in control of our destiny. And what we're seeing with the Zika virus, which is so conveniently transported by mosquitoes, we'll get to that. But basically what is happening is whatever these aliens, if they have DNA, I don't know, but they're trying to take their genetic information and merge it into human genetic information. And the result is what we're seeing with these birth defects in these children. For some reason they seem to have South America as their ground zero for this experiment, but it's obviously spreading around now. Things are starting to get out of control. And basically this is the first step. I guarantee they're going to go back and refine whatever genetic splicing they try to do to make basically a different species hybrid between the aliens and the humans, and it failed miserably. You can see the result of it. Don't ever think for a second that they're not going to keep trying, because why would they stop? They have their objective. They're not going to let human beings get in the way. And it's very convenient that they use mosquitoes to transmit this so that it doesn't really throw up any red flags or raise any questions from people. Oh, it's just a natural thing. It's like malaria. Mosquitoes are totally immune to it, but they can somehow transmit it to people, and then all hell breaks loose. So, don't believe everything they're telling you on TV. There are ulterior motives. There are people working to execute a plan that doesn't have our best interests in mind. And I encourage everyone to do your own research, dig into it, see how far you can get. Maybe there's something I'm missing that I would like to be made aware of, so we can keep building this puzzle together. And hopefully, do something to stop what's happening. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Give me some feedback or any other info that you have on this, but I think we're going in the right direction. You look at one thing and then you see another, and there has to be an explanation in between, and we think we're getting closer to that. So there'll be more videos coming up on this. Obviously, the more we learn, the more there is to report, and the more we want to get people involved. So thank you for your time. subscribe or don't. Just, I don't fucking care.